In this video, I'm going to talk about Stripe.com and how you can use Stripe to connect to your bank account for you can get paid for your business, offline business, online business, or any type of personal use. I've been using Stripe for a long time, and it's a very easy software that you can use via cell phone. So if you have an Apple phone, go to the Apple Store, type in Stripe, download the application software, or if you have an Android phone, go to the Play Store and type in Stripe to download its application. My name is Adam Shelton. Welcome to this video today. If this is your first time here, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now, this is what it looks like if you download it on your cell phone. It looks just like this, very easy to use. And this is what it looks like a little bit if you use your desktop or iPad or tablet. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to pricing to set up a free account just to show you a demonstration of it. It does have more information on this page. I do have Stripe.com right below this video. You can go ahead and look for yourself, sign up for your account, and get going in terms of getting payments through from Stripe. So I'm gonna go to pricing right here, and it's really simple and really easy to use, guys. It really does. Stripe has a lot of actually users, and it's gonna get more users over time, especially in the next couple of years. Now, I'm gonna go right to say create an account. And then create an account is really simple and easy to do, just like you create any type of account. Now, I have an account already, but I'm going to go ahead and start a new account just to show you for this demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account, and then I'm going to use a email address, and I'm going to do that here. And I'm gonna do, there you go. I'm gonna do that. So it's basically lose my name. I'm gonna use my name here and password. See if that's strong enough. Should be strong enough. And let's see. So I got my email, full name, password. It's going to connect. And then after that, I can save it on my computer. So that way, anytime I'm coming on my laptop or even laptop, I can go ahead and do that. And that's how you set up your account. Very easy to use. You got to set up an account. It even says get started with Stripe Adam here. And then from here, you just go right down the list. Go right down the list on stuff you need to do. So you can go to get your test API keys. You can do that by reveal the test by clicking here, reveal test. So you have that. You also can go to verify your email address. We sent a verification link to Shelton11 Gmail. So I can open up my Gmail, check that out. So I'm going to check that out and see if they got, see, they even have it right there. Verify it. I'm going to verify my email address right there, as you see. And it's verified it right now. So I've got verified. Look at this. The email has been verified. And then I activate your Stripe account. Click there, start now. And then this is where you'll go ahead and put in your business app information in here. So you can do your business. Let me see if I have the, I'm going to go ahead and put in my, say here, let's see. So your address, tell them about your business information. You click on next. This is, make sure your type of business, you make sure that's done. Let me go back here. Make sure you are on to the proper one. If it's individual, nonprofit, organization, partnership, corporation. So I'm gonna leave it on individual. Really simple and easy, step by step, really simple. It's gonna have more information about your actually business on the next one here, like your representative. So it's loading up right now. Let's see if it's going a little slow today. And let's see, got my address. Let me see here. Tell you about your business. Okay. And then now saying your personal detail information is asking about that. I won't fill all this out. I just want to just show you exactly what this means. So fill out your personal information here, your business details. It goes basically what's your business about. So you can find a category in here that relates to it. Put your website in here, and then with your description of your business as well. Fulfillment details, you know, if it's a physical goods, select this. If you sell physical goods, you select this, select yes or no. And then how long after paying will your customer typically receive their goods? This is a good question right here, especially if you're selling goods. So So you just put the best answer as possible. Credit card statement here. Fill out this credit card information here. The statement, your business name. So what customer statement information you want that to be. More than likely your business name or your name. If your name is the business, put your name there. Short description about what is the business about, like what type of business is it, and then the phone number as well. And then bank details, this is important as well. You want to, it says where should we send your payments? You definitely want to make sure this is filled out correctly. Make sure this is filled out correctly when it comes to your bank details. Your routing number, your account number, and then you want to confirm your account number. I can make this even more important and make sure this is filled out. I remember when I filled it out, I missed my routing number by about a digit, and they couldn't really send any payments to my actually bank account because I was off by a digit. The bank let me know that it wasn't necessarily adding up correctly. Stripe let me know as well. Actually, Stripe and the bank account let me know that things was not right. So make sure you do that as well. And a two-step authentication, you definitely want to do this as well. That way you'll be notified from your phone and your password to keep things safe. And then also for security purposes, you definitely want to do this as well. The two-step authentication, you want to go ahead and use SMS, or you can do this application, but I use SMS. And the summary is going to be everything you pretty much did. It's going to tell you what things are missing and what things you have to do. So I really like how this is. And then once everything is checked properly, go back over it to make sure everything is there, that you like it, and make sure the information is correct. That's the most important thing. And just go by the line. Just take your time, fill it out correctly, and you should be good to go when you set up your Stripe account. So I'm going to go and click X there. And then pretty much there, everything is self-explanatory. Once you activate your Stripe account, you can go through some of this other stuff like, find the right integration for your business. There's a document here that shows you more information about that. Then you can go here. It's really good stuff. It's pretty much Stripe documents. It can give you more details about products and about business-wise, and then about financial services. You definitely want to know about that if you're interested in that. And then this is kind of like your basically your dashboard information. Here's the gross of your incomes, total sales before deducting any fees, refunds, or disputes. So this shows your gross volume. And then here's your balance, USD balance, and your payouts as well. And then this will be your report overview. This is empty because we just created a new account. So all this data is actually empty. It's not much in here as well. But once you start your account, once you start getting customers and activity into your dashboard, you'll start seeing these numbers change. Report overview shows you from your growth volume all the way up to the issuing volume. I really like this. And all this would be, you can look all this through your cell phone as well. All this would be active on your cell phone, your Apple phone, or your Android phone. Very easy to use with the application software. And by the way, click on the link below to start your free your Stripe account. Activate your Stripe account. So that's it right there. And you can go over to the left here to get even more details on payments. You can go to balances, USA balance. It really breaks it off. I like when it does this on the way to your bank account. So it shows you the funds that's on the way to the bank account and shows you the funds that's on hold for whatever particular reason. And then your customers, this just shows all your customers here. This just shows your customers on here as well. And then you can add a test customer here just to show how that looks like. You can just put your name. So I'm gonna put Jane Doe, and I'll just put in. So I'll just add a customer. And so I just added a customer manually, and then just to show you what that looks like, and I keep track of it. I can also edit the customer if I needed to. But normally, if you got a link, if you got Stripe account connected to your business already, then customers will be flowing in as well. So that's how that works. And this is how you connect accounts together. You can get started with payments for platforms. So you can say, basically, platform and marketplace use Stripe, connect to onboard, verify payouts, their sellers and services providers globally. So you can click here to get started to connect all that together as well. I did a video about Buy Now Plus, that how you can connect Buy Now Plus with Stripe with an actually online link invoice. So you have that connected with Stripe. I've done a couple of videos over that. I'll do another video of how you can set up an online invoice through Buy Now Plus that's connected through Stripe.com, and all you would do is give your provider, or give your customer that link, and then they'll pay for the invoice from there, and they'll be connected to your Stripe account. It's really pretty cool. And then products, any products that you have here, and then course reports is there as well. So that's the basic overview of a Stripe.com. Setting up your account is really easy, simple to use, and he shows you the data right here, which I really like about it. Look at the new customer I just added in there just for testing, has already pretty much set that aside as well. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. How to set up your Stripe account for your online business use, personal use, grow your business in an upcoming year, next year, year after that with Stripe. I'm a big fan of Stripe. It's very easy and simple to use. And our customer service team is actually pretty good as well. I'm going to show you where that is at as well. Feedback. Here's feedback. Let me see where the document here. I'm going to show you where that's at, because they do have it. Send back. No, so send back right there. Okay, here, right here. Contact Stripe support. So click right there to contact Stripe support. And then here is the information as well. They actually have a 24/7 support, which is really good. And they also have some frequently asked questions, stuff that people have asked before, and they have it by popular topics. So they have the categories that's already set by popular topics as well. So contact Stripe support if you have any questions and issues, or you can send me an email at adameshelton.com, and I will be able to help you out as well, because I'm a big fan of Stripe, in terms of payments, in terms of any business, in terms of connecting accounts together. This is really good to use. This is just an overview of getting started, creating your accounts, connecting it to, to your bank account, things like that. Something very simple, something very easy. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, right below this video, you check out some more information that I have about growing your business, starting a business, or even starting your Stripe account. Go ahead, check those out. Those are really, really good to use. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.